Here's a story from Grandpa for my three favorite little girls, Emma, Ayla, and Audrey. I love Mo Willems' books, but somehow I've only managed to read you one of his books this year, and that was way back in January. So now I have a couple of new ones lined up to read before the end of the year, starting today. Here's one of his books, Pigs Make Me Sneeze. An Elephant, Gerald, and Piggy story by Mo Willems. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want Yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. I, uh, 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 Chew. Goodbye. Gerald? Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. But I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. Cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. I think Piggy has caught Elephant Gerald's cold. And that's the end of the story. I mentioned before how much I like the characters Elephant, Gerald, and Piggy. They're so very different from each other. He's a he and she's a she. He's an elephant and she's a pig. She's outgoing and spontaneous. He's not. But despite those differences, they are the very best of friends and always very kind to each other, as we all should be to people who are not at all like us. Always remember that Grandpa loves you, because we are the very best of friends, and I hope we will always be very kind to each other. And I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.